Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to undo actions in Figma, whether you need a quick shortcut or a more advanced recovery. The fastest way to undo is using keyboard shortcuts. On macOS, press Ctrl+Z, and on Windows, press Ctrl+Z. This instantly reverses your last action, whether it's moving a layer, changing a color, or resizing an object. If you prefer using the interface, you can also undo through the main menu. Click the Figma logo in the top left corner, hover over Edit, and select Undo from the list. This works exactly like the shortcut, but is useful if you're more comfortable with menus. Another method is Quick Actions. Press Command+/ on macOS or Control+/ on Windows to open the search bar. Type Undo and press Enter. This is great if you forget the shortcuts or want to access Undo alongside other actions quickly. For advanced undo scenarios, Figma offers more options. Redo an action. Use Command+Shift+Z macOS or Control+Y or Control+Shift+Z Windows to reapply an undone action. Restore deleted files. If you accidentally delete an entire file, go to the Figma file browser, click the Trash tab, right-click your file, and select Restore. Revert to a previous version. Use version history to roll back to an older state if you need to undo many changes at once. Undo a component conversion. If you turned layers into a component and want to revert, select it and use Command+Option+B macOS or Control+Alt+B Windows to detach instance. Pro tip: if shortcuts don't seem to work, check your keyboard layout under Main Menu, Preferences, Change Keyboard Layout to ensure Figma matches your physical keyboard. With these methods, you can confidently undo, redo, or recover anything in Figma without losing work.